Hey everybody, my name is Paul. We just finished a 2.5 kV 24 VDC inverter. So we have our two breakers as usual. We have our charge controller, we have our breaker, we have our knife changeover for inverter and NEPA. Then we also have our knife changeover for generator and NEPA to supply it. So we have our charge controller, we have our breaker. This is the breaker for the electricity, and this is breaker. These are the breakers. Those are the two breakers serving for load, overload. Then our power supply is at the back. Our DC connection is here. Our DC connections are here. So if you have an electric fence, CCTV, solar and inverter, you are just a call away from us. Thank you very much and stay blessed. I remain my humble self, all Atkins.